how to change / install the lock in the craftsman toolbox. I'm just gonna lock it to show you to get a better see. Unlock it. I'm just gonna do it like that for your viewing pleasure. Then you have the cylinder here. You can see how that works. And there's a clip back here, you just slide it off. And you see the clip goes through these two cutout holes on the side there. And the cylinder works like you can, like it normally would, but there's a cutout in the toolbox. You put your cylinder in. I'm just gonna take my key out. Put your cylinder in. Put the clip back in there, or the nut, depending on if you change the style. Then you close the lid. Lock it. There's how to change the cylinder in your craftsman toolbox.